At the center of South Korea's energy and power generation industry, BHI, with high efficiency, thermal energy technology, and over 25 years of plant experience, is now starting its story as a company that reaches out to the world. Since its establishment in 1998, BHI has grown into a leading company in South Korea's power generation and plant industry, specializing in HRSG heat recovery steam generator. Based in the Hammond headquarters and factory, it is a company with recognized technology and manufacturing competitiveness in the global market. BHI's core competitiveness lies in its top-class global HRSG technology. BHI possesses world-class technology in the HRSG field, which is a key facility in combined cycle power generation. With the ability to secure large overseas projects, high efficiency, design technology, and the capability to manufacture ultra-large modules, we are evaluated as a small but strong company in the global market. The second capability is the ability to carry out self-design, manufacturing, and EPC in an integrated manner. The EPC turnkey capability that encompasses engineering, procurement, and construction is a strong competitive advantage unique to BHI. We provide integrated solutions that go beyond simple manufacturing to directly improve power, plant performance, and retrofit, maximizing power efficiency. The third is the strategy for renewable and eco-friendly future. BHI is expanding its business beyond HRSG to include renewable energy sectors such as electrolysis, fuel cells, and marine green hydrogen platforms. We are securing leadership in the new energy market through technology, development, and investment in preparation for the carbon-neutral era. BHI has built a solid track record in major domestic and international power generation projects. The key achievements in HRSG are as follows: supply of multiple HRSGs for domestic and overseas combined cycle power plants, executing projects ranging from hundreds of megawatts to several gigawatts globally in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Power plant performance improvement. EPC achievements: Suwon Eco-Friendly Energy Improvement Project. Numerous performance enhancements for domestic thermal and combined cycle power plants. Supply of steel and industrial plant equipment. Selected as a POSCO certified supplier for 20 consecutive years. Supply of large heat exchangers and boilers for steel, refining, and chemical plants. In particular, we are evaluated as a company with world-class performance and technology in the HRSG field. BHI holds international quality certifications such as ISO, ASME, KEPIC, and PED, and supplies products that global customers trust, based on thorough quality management and safety systems. We are also focusing on the development of future technologies such as high-efficiency heat devices, water electrolysis, and renewable energy technologies centered around the Technology Research Institute. The goal of BHI is clear. We are striving to become a global energy solutions company that leads a new energy paradigm, going beyond HRSG as a leader in the world market. With high-efficiency and eco-friendly energy technologies, BHI is an energy specialist company that grows through technology and is recognized for its trust, chosen by the world beyond Korea.